Okay guys, just a quick update. I'm going to give you some price targets to pay attention to. Listen, so I took profit. I know in that last video I told you I'm playing the long game, and I do still expect that we're going to have a 20% drop. But again, I did show you in that last video that this is going to be strong support. And I showed you how that probably will play out, that we'll have one more push up, and then I'll be shorting again, and then I believe that will be the fake out, and then we have that drop. But again, on this video I said 45,629. I'll put a link of this video now if you want to check it out. You need to watch this video. I go into detail what I'm expecting. But you can see we found support right here, 45,627. And guys, if you do want to access these charts, website's opticalcrypto.com, link pinned first comment description. And guys, if you do sign up, you also get access to our Discord and Twitter. Videos take a little time to put up, so again, tweet and making posts in Discord is instantaneous. 2 hours ago, I said I took profit. And I explained why, because it was the same chart I showed you in that last video. I said this is going to be strong support. This is where you would enter your long. Not just that, I had 3 charts in confluence. The C1, C1, BG, and H1 chart. We were at support here, and support here. When you have 3 charts charted different ways at the same support level, that's probably a point to take your profit in a short or to enter a long. And you see what happened. We pushed up from this point. So I'm going to give you price targets on each one of these charts. Again, I keep everyone updated in Discord as well. So if you do sign up, you get access to Discord and Twitter, plus you have access to the charts. And guys, I do use Bitget to trade. Listen, my Bitget affiliate link is pinned in the first comment description if you want to sign up. The reason I chose Bitget is because they are legal to trade in the U.S. They obtained a license in the U.S. and Canada and Australia. That is why you do not need to use a VPN to mask your IP address. If you use Bybit, you have to mask your IP address because it's illegal to trade in the U.S. using Bybit. They won't even allow you to create an account without a VPN. And if you guys remember what happened to BitMEX, they got busted for, they knew people were accessing their exchange using VPN, but they allowed it. So I think the CEO went to prison and they closed everybody's accounts. I think they did get their money, but it was a pain in the butt. So that's why I use Bitget. There is some regulation because they're licensed to, you can trade in the U.S. And you can use up to 125 times leverage, guys, but I would not suggest using that. I do have some tutorials showing you how to do simulated trades. So if you're not comfortable doing leverage trading, you can use fake money basically to trade to see how you would do. And then if you decide you want to trade for real, it's basically the same thing but in a different section. It's under futures. This is where you actually do real trading. And then under USD demo, this is where you do the same thing but with fake money. It's called SUSDT. So guys, give them a try if you want to get into leverage trading. Again, my affiliate link's pinned at the bottom. So let me get into this, guys. I'm going to give you support resistance level to pay attention to. So look, you can see that we're pushing up. And guys, again, these YouTubers that are previously overly bullish, talking about putting a new all-time high, now they're saying Bitcoin's dumping and they're putting in shorts. So that should be an indication to you that we're pushing up. So look, we held support here. I'm not saying we can't drop more. It's just I had 3 charts in confluence, so it looked like this would be a great point to take profit, and a lot of people along this point, they're doing well now. But right now, 45,627 is your current support. If that breaks, your next support level to watch is right here, 45,100. Remember, guys, told you in the last video, 45,600, 45,000 is going to be strong support. 45,627 did hold. If we push up, your next resistance to watch is going to be right here at 46,819, and you will get a lot of resistance up here, 47,243. This is, sorry guys, the dryer's going on in the background. I will come back to this chart in just a sec. I did cover this in the previous video. This is the C1 chart. So look, we're holding support right here at 45,658. If that breaks, you have support just below at 45,500. Again, I told you 45,500 is going to be very strong support as well. If that breaks, your next support level to watch. Again, 45,000. It's 45,500, it's 45,000. If we push up, your next resistance could be a lot of resistance. You got double resistance, guys. You got resistance right here, and you have this white line right here. So a lot of resistance at 46,500 to put in a short. If we get above that, guys, this line right here, this line right here, is the exact same line on this this M1 chart. This line that every time we hit it, we get rejected. So every time we hit this white line, I'm going to put in a short. So again, if you have access to the charts, load up the C1 chart, you're going to see this line on the smaller time frame. So if we do push up, guys, again, this is a brick wall. And if we kind of go up and sideways, 47,274, very strong resistance. Here, 47,130. I will be putting in a heavy short next time we hit this line to come back down. But again, remember your next major resistance above is 46,500, and your next strong resistance above is that white line of 47,169. And again, your current support, same on all three charts, guys, right here, 45,658. This is the H1 chart. Let's see, held support here. Your next resistance above is right here at 46,170. And these rings, guys, we'll respect these rings. Notice once we broke this ring, we dropped. I had fib circles to this chart. So your next resistance is 46,721. And if we do push up, your next resistance on this chart is 47,655. Your next strongest support, if we had a major dump, would be down here around 43,718. But I do think, guys, if you went back and watched that last video, I did explain the possible scenarios that could play out. Again, if price is dropping and people are starting to start stacking, the exchanges are going to push it back up, stop out those shorts. But ultimately, if we drop, do refer to the different charts. But I think the lowest point we go would be around 44,668 because that is the point. This is previously resistance. Will flip as support. And again, as I said previously, statistically, if you bought on April 1st or after around April 1st, price pushes back up. But I think it will be a fake out, and that's what I'm waiting for, is to make contact with this point too short, and I think it's down from here. So I will enter another short, and then I'll take my profit down around this point. This could hold as support and get a pump, but I'd still believe, as I've said for the past month, once we break this blue ring, I expect the capitulation to begin. But guys, I think that pretty much covers it. Again, when we make contact with this line, that is when I short. Right here where that label is 46,960, and right here is 47,122. But again, that's the same white line on the C1 chart. Let's see. I think that should cover it, guys. Again, thanks for the likes. If you want to leave a like on this one, I appreciate it. If you want to access these charts, website's altercrypto.com. Leave a pin in the first comment description. If you use my Bitget affiliate link, that's also pinned in the first comment description as well. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.